2018 Ford Kuga with a Thatcham Category 2 touch key immobiliser installed. So you've got the touch key receptacle just down there with a red flashing LED to acknowledge that it's system's armed at the moment. Now if we try to start the car, so we're going to go foot on the brake and we'll push the start button. You see the vehicle just doesn't start. Okay, so 2 touch keys with the system, uniquely coded to the this particular system on this car. So what we're going to do is briefly tap that in there. See the LED's gone out now, and now push the start, foot on the brake, and away we go. System arms automatically each time the ignition is turned off, so you don't forget to arm it, arms itself. And when you want to start the vehicle, you just briefly push the touch key into the receptacle, put the light out, and away you go. Thatcham Category 2 insurance approved.